One sec. We're not done with cars. We're going to get back to that in a second.
Okay.
But I'm just curious because this just came up in conversation with somebody.
Uh-huh.
What? And this is funny because I'm told a lot that I think too much.
Uh-huh.
But ironically, I'm about to
Who
ask
tells me that?
Well, you know, and that's what that is. You were to think. What is a think tank? Can you explain to our audience, or really to me, but to our, what is a think tank? Was I talking to you about? I was talking to
Not
somebody
me.
about.
No.
Yeah, what the hell is
I
a
don't
think
know
tank?
where the term came from, but basically it's like a research institute, but like not like a laboratory. You know, they're coming up with ideas and positing policy and like that. So you know, political research institutes that were coming up with policy recommendations came to be known as think tanks.
And so, how does it? They get grants, or they're nonprofit, or how does it work? Like financially, like what's the
Yeah.
model there? I'm just curious. Do you know?
I think
Is
they
it-
would get funding from various sources. I worked at one just around the corner here, and
Here in Jerusalem.
here in Jerusalem.
All right, cool.
Yeah,
Thank
there's definitely different models,
Yeah.
but also, some politicians will go to think tanks and ask them to research something, or
Right.
they're like brains on demand.
Yeah.
Brains on demand. I like that. All right.
And apparently, especially in the States now, there's a lot of policy that ends up, a lot of legislation that's basically written by these think tanks, and it gets proposed to, some lawmaker who adopts it, sponsors it, gets other people on board. And so, you need the legislators to actually sponsor it and to
Right.
support it and to vote on it. But a lot of the heavy work is being done by third parties.
Cool. All right. Now that we got that out of the way, back to the cool stuff.